Berries, nature's delightful and colorful gems, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and phytonutrients, making them an invaluable secret weapon in the battle against cancer. Berries, especially blueberries, are rich in anthocyanins, a group of flavonoids responsible for their vibrant colors. These powerful compounds do more than just provide a visual feast. They also play a significant role in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing inflammation. The possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating these cancer-fighting fruits into your daily meals.